Hey guys, this is JB. I'm making these videos on a new channel now. Um, Pretty much I'm going to be uploading videos of me doing lightsaber builds, and I'm pretty much just going to be showcasing what I've done for people as far as commissions and other work that they want me to do for them. So this is the first video I'm going to make. Kang, this is your lightsaber. Uh, it's a SaberForge Arbiter for people that don't know. Um, Nothing done to the hilt as far as, let me just focus the camera a little bit. Nothing done to the hilt as far as, what do you call it, customization wise. I added a black switch with a blue LED light. This is the blade plug that it comes with. I did get a brand new kill key from SaberForge, their laser cut kill keys. I forgot what this one was called, but I picked up one, so you have one of those. This has Nano Biscotti version 3 with 2 sound fonts. He wanted Shatterpoint and Elemental Water, which is a funny kind of font, I think. It's just like if you're underwater, splashing noises and stuff. It has a recharge port, obviously, with the kill key. Panasonic battery. And it has a Goth 3D chassis. So, oh, and a 28mm premium speaker. So yeah, let's turn it on. There's the blue LED. This is Shatterpoint. It's a very loud saber. It's the loudest one that I've made thus far. I don't know. I really don't understand why it's this loud. I guess the settings he chose sent me in, but I mean all my builds have the volume set to the max. This is the other font, Elemental Water. It's really loud. I'm gonna put a blade in. Let's get the blade plug out. I forgot to take this off of my blade. This is actually Jordan Mall made this one for me, and it's awesome. I like it. Just a quick shout out. And again, I know that other people make videos like this, and I'm not trying to copy them. It's just I really think that it's a good idea to make videos of people's builds. That way they can see firsthand what they're getting. That's just what I think. I'm not trying to copy anybody. And this is with the blade. I forgot to mention that it's blue, white, Tri-Cree LED. With white flash on flash. I'm just going to change the font up. It's a really good blue color. It's just like a medium blue. It's very bright. The flash on flash is really good. It really stands out with blue. And that is your Saber King. I will have it sent out to you once you give me the okay to send it. Or actually, I think you did give me the okay, so I will send it out on Monday. Alright, laters, guys.